It is time. So the lightning round, remember that's pretty close. Right for everyone. Hitting this talk started by some people going to the closest. I don't know. You play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. We're going to start with Doug in New Jersey. Doug.
Oh, big booyah from Point Pleasant at the Jersey Shore.
Jenkinson's beckoning. Let's go. Let's go to work. Come on.
Yeah. All right, long-time listener, first-time caller. I bought this stock and the Biden administration approved the Willow Project in Alaska. Even though it's not online yet, it's run up 20%. Should I buy, sell, or hold Conocophillips?
I want you to hold Conocophillips. I like Chevron, too. And my favorite is Coterra for the Travel Trust. I need to go to Michael in Massachusetts. Michael.
Typically, you thought of this company, they're in trials of obesity drugs. They are Rhythm Pharmaceuticals.
Oh, Rhythm Pharma. Okay, look, it's speculative play. It actually has some obesity work. I am not against speculating in biotechs right now. It looks like that there's so many bids, I'm willing to let a stock catch fire. Mark in Florida. Mark.
Hey, Jim, I appreciate you taking my call. I'm calling about Marvell Technology, and it's been dropping ever since they had last Thursday's AI conference. Is now the time to buy more, or should I hold?
Okay, this is in a very difficult cohort. I thought Matt Murphy told a great story. I would buy some and then wait till under 60 to buy the rest. Let's go to Minal in Georgia. Minal.
Hey, hey, Jim.
Hi. Go ahead.
Can you hear me?
You got Jim? Yeah, sure. You're up.
Yeah. So I'm interested in LRCX, Lam Research Corp. Production technology stock.
Right now, I'm worried about Lam. Look, I like Lam very much. I do think that right now we're having a pause in that group in the capital equipment, especially after what I saw Taiwan Semi do after reported. Let's wait till that stock goes lower and we'll feel better. Let's go to Juan in New York. Juan.
Jimmy, booyah, Jimmy. Listen, I love it. In a big corporation, ENBX. What did you say? You like it? You don't like it? Because I love it.
Look, I got to tell you, you got to be making some money in that business. If you're not making any money in that business, then I can't say to buy the stock. Let's go to Corey in Washington. Corey.
Hey, Jim. I'm really looking forward to hearing your thoughts today.
Sure. Thank you.
I've been monitoring this company that has had some interesting developments and strategic shifts in recent years.
Okay.
That stock is Western Union.
I have not looked at Western Union since I spoke to them when I was at Dreamforce many years ago. So here's what we're going to do. I promise you that we're going to do a homework on it because I never understood why the dividend could be so big and the stock be so low. Let's do some work and we will come back. Thank you. Let's go to John in Virginia. John.
Hey, John. Hey, Jim. Thanks for having me on.
No problem.
Wanted to get your advice on Aspin Aerogels. I bought them about a year ago. It's done pretty well, but I feel like a lot of the buzz behind the rally of the past year was tied to the potential growth of the EV market. Do you think I should hold on to it or sell because of the lack of momentum right now with
This
EVs?
thing is up so big, and what a great opportunity to sell the stock of a money-losing company after you've made a lot of money. Take the profit. How about Guadalupe in New York? Guadalupe.
Hey, Jim. Good afternoon. Question. So back in November of 2020, I purchased a stock with your blessing, and I have made over 200% on that stock. My question is, should I buy more, sell, or hold? It's McKesson.
Oh, man, don't sell McKesson. Don't sell Cencora. I mean, these things are unbelievable. These are the middle people. And by the way, let's just throw in Cardinal. That's a threesome. I'm giving you a threesome. You can bet. You got to get a threesome. I got once. I got twice. I got three. Let's go to Ronald, Massachusetts. Ronald.
Hello, Mr. Cramer. How are you today?
I am good. How about you?
Oh, I'm pretty good. I'm a long-time listener, morning and evening, and have made money from your recommendations. I would like your opinion on the PNC Bank.
All right, people didn't like the PNC quarter. I, on the other hand, felt that it was an enjoyable quarter, meaning that they're going to start enjoying it again and come back to it. So you buy some now and you buy some down 10%, and you will have a third position that'll last for a very long time. Joe in New Jersey. Joe.
Hey, how's it going, Jim? Shout out to my dad watching Seltzer, PA. We're both longtime fans of the show. The stock I want to ask you about is Vail. It's got a 6.5 PE, pays a 14% forward dividend, and it's pretty much at its 52-week low. With potential tariffs on Chinese steel, what do we think will be the impact there? And would you consider Vail?
It's too low to sell. It's too low to sell. I would say Vail, and then they have to cut the dividend, so that's nothing to bank on. But down here, I'm going to be able to take a shot at it, and I think I'll make some money and that. Ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The lightning round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, Cramer weighs in on competition and the work week. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.